We all know the objectives, method, and process of print journalism. But how many of us know about the terminologies that are being used in newsroom during news gathering, news writing, copy layout and printing, and circulation? Hello everyone, myself Dr. Ramesh Kumar Sharma. Welcome to the MOOCs on print and broadcast journalism. I am going to talk about basic terminology used in print journalism. The objective of this module is to explain the various terminologies used in print journalism. After going through this module, you should be able to understand the importance of terminology used in print journalism, describe the main terminology used in reporting, understand the terminology used in news writing, and understand the terminology used in copy layout and printing. So before going to discuss about terminologies used in print journalism, we should understand what is terminology. As we go a little deep into journalism study, it becomes evident that the print media, which is the mother of all modern day media, created media literacy, and along with its words which identify the profession, professional skills, professional structure, professional rules and regulation, and finally professional methods and methodologies. As and when these developed, four analytical terms came out which gave definitions to language of content and its breakup. These are vocabulary, glossary, terminology, and jargon. Vocabulary is the universe and is an alphabetically placed explained collection of words for a particular field of usage. It is listed in the dictionary and can have multiple meanings based on parts of speech. Glossary is a list of terms in a particular domain of knowledge with their definition at the end of a book, usually non-fiction. Glossary is a kind of standard words that would be found in a dictionary. Some non-standard words are a part of glossary that is used by few organizations. Simply, glossary is a collection of specialized words. Terminology is a system, not just a list of words, and includes sets of words or phrases. It contains both standard words, which one finds in the dictionary, and also non-standard words. But the most important fact is that terminology can include definition, illustration, sound, or video. Jargon is the term for a specialized or technical language used by a particular group of people, especially in their work, and which most other people do not understand. When anyone uses jargon, he or she is speaking to others belonging to a common specific professional community which outsiders to that professional do not understand. So, terminologies are required for every professions and professionals, those who engaged in communication, expression and representation of particular knowledge. A terminology plays a significant role in the considerate of reference, context and specialized text. Terminology not only improves the proficiencies, also helps in language development. Moving towards the importance of basic terminology used in print journalism. Amusingly, the wheel is a vocabulary with terminology being its spoke, jargon being the nut, and glossary the bolt. And media, like any other profession, runs smoothly on these four. But the divisions of media into traditional, print, radio, television, digital and social hype given specific terminologies to each of these media formats. Surprisingly, vocabulary, glossary, and jargon remains common to all these. In this module, we will study the print media terminology as a whole and list out the terminologies in both frequent and non-frequent usage. It will include terminology specific to all parts of the processes of print journalism, starting from the collection of news to writing, editing, designing both the page and the print media product, then printing, publishing and distribution. And in this session, we will also explain each of these in detail. Let's start with terminology used in news gathering. The news gathering is a first step in the editorial workflow in any newsroom or media organization. This process involves finding the sources of news, ideating the plan of coverage, assigning teams, structuring and compiling news stories. There are so many terms used in news gathering. Journalists or reporter are liable for delivering updates and examinations on current happening with keeping the main goal to provide updates, information in the shape of news. They make stories and breaking news by talking to people, attending meetings, conferences, and company results, etc. They are the main source for a piece of direct news. A reporter is a bridge between readers and industries, government, which provide correct news. Reporters for print media conduct interviews with industry people based on the current trending event and compose articles to be utilized in newspapers, magazines, and online distributions. Since most newspapers and magazines have print and online adaptation, journalists commonly produce content for the two renditions. Correspondent. A correspondent or reporter is usually a journalist in any news media organization like print, radio, or television, who gathered information from ground zero or remote location and file it to their organization. Stringers are part-time journalists or reporters. In other words, we can say they are freelance journalists, photojournalists or video journalists who contributes news reports to news organizations on an ongoing basis and getting remuneration on the basis of published work from the media organization. Sometimes they are working for more than one media organizations in a same time. Columnist. A columnist is a senior journalist or subject experts who regularly write a particular kind of article in a newspaper or magazine. A few columnists, especially those in huge urban communities or enormous news associations, cover a specific theme, for example, sports, science, technology, or legislative issues. Another term is news list, a list of stories based on the current trending situation in the current edition of a newspaper or forthcoming news bulletin. All the perspective stories have been picked and chosen by the news editor. Beat. A beat is a specific particular theme or topic or area that a reporter covers and files news reports. Most journalists or reporters working in print media and online news cover specific beats or assigned beats. A journalist can cover a specific beat for a time of numerous years. Follow-up. To follow up intends to assemble additional data to strengthen or access a past activity. For instance, a journalist may introduce a story that gives additional data or reports the decision of an earlier report. The subsequent piece would be a development to the first. Copy file. Copy file report is a process of report accommodation by correspondent to the news work area towards the finish of the day. Deadlines are very important for any news media organization. It is a kind of time frame and reporters must be complete and file their story within the time frame. After the stipulated time, copy is not accepted for the publication. For example, if a reporter will submit a rally report after 2 days it happened, it can't be accepted as the editor has given deadline that is same date for this and the reporter has missed that deadline. Another term is byline, a line that gives credit to the writer which includes the name of the person who has written the newspaper or magazine article. It usually comes after the headline and sometimes at the end of the article. Syndicate is a kind of organization or association who buys and sells the news items like news stories, news features, specialized columns, editorials to newspapers and magazines. So many newspapers and magazines purchase such kind of information from syndicates and used it. News Bureau is a regional office of a news organization. Reporters or correspondents of these bureaus usually provides national influence to local stories. News wires are very prominent source of information for newspaper, magazine and other media organizations, which provides information, stories and features to their subscribers over the wire to newspapers and use them directly as news telegram. This is also known as news agency. For example, Reuters, Associated Press, Press Trust of India, etc.